What's going on? We're checking back in. Another episode of Bankroll Racing Performance. As you can probably tell, we got the fun part today. We got this wiring going on, redoing everything. I cut out all the old wires and we're gonna reroute everything. Make sure everything neat and safe and right. You already know. We're gonna tuck everything up, make sure everything cut to the right length. We slicing out all those little butt connectors and everything and putting heat shrink over everything. So we pretty much got everything back here in the trunk wrapped up. We got some more little stuff to tidy up and everything. I got one little fuel leak. That's all I gotta do back here. I just found out I put a little fuel in there. Just one leak, so we doing good. I gotta probably end up put an O-ring on there, and we're gonna see how that do. But as you can see, nothing too much today. We just doing a bunch of wiring, and slow and steady, knocking it out a little bit at a time. We got the little fuse box, the safety switch box, racing switch box. We just gonna leave it in there for right now. Running the MSD Digital 6 Plus for right now. Like I said, we just going over everything. They're doing one wire at a time. I think my other pieces just came in the mail to hook up the fuel line. So we probably knock that out today. Like I said, we ain't doing too much. We just checking in, let you see what we got going on. The 6-day Camaro SS Street drag car. We don't have no problem popping the hood. Hey, everything ain't nothing to hide. Nothing to hide. Like I said, we running the wires, making sure we got enough space. Then after we get finished, we'll go through and zip tie everything, tuck everything, put the carpet down, and hey, you never know. You will never know. That's the main point we're going for today. Just making sure everything right. So, safe and right. So, like you can see, fun day doing the wiring. Another day at Bankroll Racing Performance. As you can probably see, if you watch the other video, you can see what I'm talking about the center part being hacked out. We're gonna fix it. I got something coming for that. We're gonna do a little custom job later on down the line. But for right now, like I said, we knocking this wiring up. Some people hate it, some people love it, some people just do it because they have to. I'm one of the ones that don't bother me. I'm OCD when it counts, and this one time when it counts. Getting everything running for the starter right now. I got the distributor, and I got the coil hooked up. So now I'm trying to run all the wires I need down to the starter, so I can kind of tuck and hide those and make sure I got the right length and got enough to play with to actually sit there and tuck and hide and just make sure everything right. Well, I just want to show everybody what's going on and check in and just go over a couple things. Like I said, we just taking our time doing the car the right way. My goal is I'm hoping to have it back crunk up by this weekend. I was hoping to get to the racetrack this weekend, but I don't know. I'm pushing it. I am pushing it. Like I said, we finna hook up these wires. I got a couple of things to tighten up on the bottom of this. I think I got the mufflers, I got the truck converter bolts and shims, and I got the shifter cable. I haven't hooked that up because I don't trying to see about the placement and everything. So like I say, we're gonna get that right. When I go down and do the shifter, I'll do the truck converter bolts and also knock them headers out. I think that's all from up on the bottom besides that one little fuel leak and put this starter on. So hey, we're almost there. And I gotta hook up the brakes on this one. So like I said, we're gonna get it together. Anyway, I thank you for tuning in. Hey, another episode, something short, sweet to the point, just showing what we got going on over here at Bankroll Racing Performance. You see it? Bankroll Racing Performance, baby. We checking in. Like, subscribe, share. Drop a comment, tell me what you like, don't like. Hey, good or bad, I'm working to it. Thank you. To the next time.